Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. So I just wanted to show you guys today. Remember we made that delicious pumpkin Thai soup last week? And I told you guys I was gonna freeze it because that actually came out to be a lot. If you didn't check out that video, go check it out. But so I'm gonna have that today. I'm gonna leave this out. I just put it in 2 Ziploc bags. I actually waited for it to become room temperature that day. Like I said, 2 Ziploc bags, and you just kind of take your time and ladle it into the Ziploc bags. You know what, let me just show you. And then you just want to stand it up in the refrigerator. You could probably like lean it against the wall here until it freezes. So, yeah, this is going to be delicious. The seasoning actually sets in and it becomes even better than it did that day. So this is a cute freezer hack for any soup.